Shining a light on the services and resources available to those suffering from mental health issues. A state-line organization holds its annual event dedicated to just that. NAMI Northern Illinois held its Building Bridges to Hope event Wednesday evening at the Cliff Breakers Event Center in Rockford. The free event brings together mental health organizations from around the area under one roof to help promote the services they offer. Leaders say the event is also about coming together to inspire, connect, and build a community where mental health is a shared priority.
In this community, we still need more resources as far as social workers, psychologists, psychiatrists. We still need more of them. It's not something that it's a field that many are looking into, and we hope we can encourage more to do that sort of thing.